It is incredibly easy to buy a portable washing machine online based on hype, only to realize you never actually measured your space. When that box arrives and the machine is twice the size you expected, your carefully planned living area suddenly turns into a permanent utility closet. You find yourself squeezing past a bulky appliance just to reach your fridge. But the alternative isn't great either. Lugging your clothes down to a community laundromat drains a constant drip of quarters from your budget and eats up hours of your weekend autonomy. This brings us to the core trade-off of the portable laundry market. You have to decide exactly where you stand between true physical portability and fully automated hands-free wash cycles. If you want what we can call frictionless automation, a large tub capacity where you press a button and walk away, you have to accept that the machine will demand a permanent, dedicated footprint in your home. On the other side is spatial agility. These are machines you can tuck into a closet when company comes over. The catch is that you will be doing much smaller, manual micro batches of laundry multiple times a week. The idea of a perfect portable washer that hides in a drawer but washes 20 pounds of clothes ignores the basic laws of physics regarding water volume and clothing mass. The right machine for you is dictated entirely by your exact square footage and your personal tolerance for manual chore labor. Let's look at the minimalists. The true portable category is built for micro studios and dorm rooms, where you have absolutely zero permanent floor space to spare. The COSTWAY 2-in-1 handles up to 8.8 pounds of laundry per load. It operates on a single cylinder system, meaning you wash your clothes and then dehydrate them separately, all inside the exact same tub. Because it measures 18 inches deep by 31 inches tall and weighs just 43.5 pounds, you can actually pick this unit up and slide it out of sight when you're done. If you prefer a recognized brand name in this microspace, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic foot washer is the premium alternative. It drops the capacity down to 6.6 pounds and uses a strictly cold water only approach. While it won't run hot cycles, sticking to cold water makes the unit energy efficient and gentle on everyday fabrics. Operating these minimalist units requires a very specific routine. You have to actively sort your laundry into tiny batches and run them frequently throughout the week. The payoff for that extra sorting is an ultra-low physical footprint. When the cycle is over, your living area is preserved because the machine sits quietly in a standard closet or gets tucked away underneath a standard kitchen counter. Since these compact machines use smaller motors and gentler cycles, heavily soiled work clothes or deeply stained items might require manual pre-treating in the sink before they go into the drum. Optimizing your decision purely to save closet space means accepting the trade-off of doing more frequent, smaller wash cycles. Drying solutions introduce a different variable. A machine like the OurTech 12-pound portable dryer acts as a dedicated add-on component to your wash sap. Powered by an 850-watt motor, it reaches temperatures up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This provides true, heavy-duty heat drying, rather than just spinning the water out of your clothes. Even with a 12-pound drum, the manufacturer explicitly recommends loading around 5.5 pounds of wet clothing at a time. Moving your heavy, wet items in these smaller batches is required to get the fastest, most efficient drying times. The OurTech uses internal sensors to actively monitor humidity levels, shutting off the heat precisely when the load is dry to protect your fabrics and cut down on energy waste. The trade-off with this component approach is purely spatial. Adding a dedicated dryer permanently doubles the physical footprint of your laundry station. Achieving high-quality fabric drying in an apartment means giving up that extra square footage and accepting the manual chore of transferring wet clothes from one unit to the next. For those who prioritize convenience over floor space, we move to the mobile full-size category. These are designed for semi-permanent placement in RVs and larger apartments. The Giantex offers an 8-pound capacity and operates fully automatically. Once you hit start, the machine runs through the entire wash, rinse, and spin sequence completely hands-free. It also features a built-in aluminum drain pump. This pumps the dirty water out automatically, entirely eliminating the messy task of manual bucket transfers between cycles. This chart illustrates the leap in scale. While standard portable washers hit their limit around 8 pounds, the Nictemaw offers a massive 20-pound capacity inside a 2.8 cubic foot honeycomb tub. It pairs that capacity with a 480-watt motor that carries enough torque to extract up to 95% of the water from your clothes during the final spin cycle. To support this volume, the unit requires a proper drainage setup. You will need to connect it directly to standard faucets and route the extra-long drain pipe into a tub or sink. With loads this heavy, safety features become critical. The Nictemaw uses automatic unbalance detection to correct the drum if clothes group to one side, preventing excessive vibration during operation. The spatial reality here is significant. At nearly 36 inches tall, this machine will dominate a corner of your room, completely losing the daily stowability of smaller models. But the output of that frictionless automation is a massive reduction in chores. You do dramatically fewer loads per week, reclaiming hours of your personal time. Prioritizing full-size automation requires giving up true portability and carving out a permanent, dedicated laundry zone in your home. Making the right choice means mapping the capabilities of these machines directly to the physical constraints of where you live. If you live in a micro-studio, selecting the COSTWAY or the BLACK+DECKER means sacrificing laundry capacity, but it allows you to preserve your zero-footprint floor plan. If you reside in an RV, the Giantex gives you automated, pump-driven drainage while respecting the strict physical weight and space limits of temporary housing. And for a family in an apartment looking for a permanent laundromat replacement, pulling a massive, clean laundry load from the Nictemaw is worth the floor space it demands. Treating the word portable as a universal catch-all is a guaranteed way to buy the wrong size class for your specific living environment. A machine's features and cycle options only matter if its physical dimensions seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. A machine's true utility is defined by how well it fits your floor plan while meeting your weekly laundry demands.